Hello friends, welcome back to channel NEET, and today we are going to continue with the topic that is known as biological classification. Today is lecture number 4 and we have already covered the topic with regards to artificial classification. Now we are going to continue with the natural system of classification. In this we are going to see ALD Jessow, APD Candolle and Bentham and Hooker. So these three topics we are going to understand in natural system of classification. Fine. So before starting up the natural system of classification, let's discuss a very important definition of typology. This definition is asked in many of the competitive exam. The definition of typology: whenever one or two species are considered for explanation of whole concept, we call it as typology. So whenever one or two species, means either one species or two species is enough for describing the whole concept, we call such definitions as typology. Clear? So this definition could be asked. Now let's start with the work of natural system of classification. Now let's start with the natural system of classification. So natural system of classification, let's see up the details of natural system of classification. So in natural system of classification, many characters were considered. So बहुत सारे characters लिए गए थे for classification. For example, anatomy of a plant, morphology of a plant, physiology of a plant, and plant symmetry. Fine. So in natural system of classification, there were many characters considered for classifying an organism. Okay. Next point, character which was not considered was habitat. Fine, because habitat was already considered in artificial classification. So in natural system of classification, scientists like Jessow, APD Candolle and Bentham and Hooker did not consider habitat as a character for classification. Okay. So let's quickly revise these 2 points with regard to the natural system of classification. As you already know, बहुत सारे characters consider किए गए थे classification के लिए. आर्टिफिशियल सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन में सिर्फ एक ही कैरेक्टर कंसिडर किया गया था, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर कंसिडर किए गए. एग्जैक्टली समथिंग व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज एनाटॉमी. एनाटॉमी मीन्स स्ट्रक्चर. ओके. मॉर्फोलॉजी, वो बाहर से प्लांट या फ्लावर कैसे दिखता है. ओके. फिजियोलॉजी, द फंक्शनिंग, किस तरीके की उसकी फंक्शन है. और प्लांट सिमेट्री, ओके, प्लांट को हम लोग कितने पार्ट्स में कट कर सकते हैं. सो दीज वर द 4 मेजर बेसिस ऑफ classification. Okay, only one character was not considered here, and that is the habitat. Very clear. So these are 2 important points with respect to natural system of classification. Now we'll see a bit history of natural system of classification. Natural system of classification was introduced by Jean Bovin in year 1623. Natural system of classification was given by Carolus Linnaeus. It was proposed by Bentham and Hooker. In 1824. Sixth point, it was explained by A.P.D. Candolle in year 1839. So this was a bit history about the natural system of classification. Okay, it was introduced by Jean Bovin in 1623. It was given by Carolus Linnaeus, very important. It was proposed by Bentham and Hooker in 1824, and it was explained by A.P.D. Candolle in 1839. Fine. Now we will see of the work of A.L.D. Jessow with respect to natural system of classification. Hope you liked today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.